Hello everyone, welcome to 845 and 849 Carrie Street here in Esquimalt. We got two homes built by multiple award-winning construction company Lida Homes. Here in Esquimalt, we're just a few steps downtown. You got Esquimalt High School across the street, Anderson Park just at the end of the block. We're about a 2 to 3 minute drive to Vic West. We're about a 10-minute drive to downtown. You're gonna love this location if you're looking for a home with a mortgage helper here in Esquimalt. Some of the few things I love about the location of these two homes here in Esquimalt, we're just a few minutes away from the Westside Village in Vic West, where you have tons of amenities. You can launch your kayak a couple minutes away in the Gorge Inner Harbor, and you can kayak right downtown to the Parliament building. We have the Gorge Golf Course just at the end of Colville, which is 2 to 3 minutes away if you like golfing. So if you're looking for a great family home with a mortgage helper here in Esquimalt, these two homes are for you.